Hi, Julia. This is a Julia video. Just for you. Whoa. Julia is kneeling on the edge of the couch and leaning up against my legs, so we have to make sure she doesn't slip away. Jump, jump, jump. Jump, jump, jump. Jump, 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 jump. Hi, Julia baby. Hi, Julia baby. What's Blake doing? Whoa. You're watching Blake get onto the truck or onto the couch with his truck? Whoops, there you are. It's dumping. There's nothing in the back. What is it dumping? Some dirt? Did it dump out all the dirt and gravel? You found some strings on the blanket. Some fringe to worry. You're very well lighted from this angle.
Maybe the Bluetooth is turned off. Maybe the
Whoa.
Bluetooth is turned off. Maybe the Bluetooth is turned off.
The bulldozer is turned off.